When you think about visual branding, you probably think of colors and fonts and logos. But one thing you may want to include is a signature pattern. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leverage a new AI tool in Canva to create a seamless pattern for your brand. Without further ado, let's hop in. Patterned AI is a new app available for you inside of Canva. If you would like access to a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro, feel free to utilize my link, lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Now, with this app, you can describe what you're looking for and create seamless patterns from your text description. So you'll be able to browse and use images from their free library of over thousands of patterns, and it will generate unlimited unique designs that you can use for backgrounds, branding, event invitations, and personalized merchandise. To get started with this app, I'm going to click on Use in a New Design, and I'm going to choose the presentation template so that I can crop the image that I create and utilize it across all of my marketing materials. When Patterned AI opens up on the left-hand side, you're going to see the default view is the Create tab. Under Create, you'll be able to describe your pattern elements, colors, and background. You can try an example if this is your first time. You can select the number of images that you would like for it to generate, and then you'll hit Generate Pattern. If you've never logged into this tool, you'll need to sign in as well. The second tab that you have available at the top is Gallery. You can search for a pattern from there, or you can select one of the populated results underneath of the search bar. So at the top, if I were to type in floral, you'll see it's going to search through the options and provide me with some results underneath. If I were to click on them, you can see where I can zoom in on the design or zoom out. And when I'm ready, I can add it to the design. So in this case, what I want to do is go under Create, and I want to describe something that will fit my design aesthetic for my website. I utilize a lot of greens and browns, so I'm going to describe that in regards to colors, and then I want to pick something earthy like foliage. So my description is watercolor greenery with browns, golds, and dark green accents. Underneath, I'm going to leave 2 images selected, and then I will click on Generate Pattern to see what it creates. I absolutely love what it created. I think both of these actually work really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to zoom in a bit to this design. I will add it to my design here. And then I will open up another tab and I will select the second image as a backup. Now, just to see what it does, we'll add in another page and we'll zoom in all the way, which does increase the size of your design. So if you create your pattern and you think it's a little bit busy, you can drag it all the way to the right-hand side to get larger elements. We'll go ahead and do the first one as well, just to show you what that looks like. And we'll add it to the design. So you can see the difference between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's like we're at the eye doctor. So this is just a really fun way for you to create patterns for your brand. I love the way that it appears, but I can also edit it within the Canva photo editor if I want to tweak it just a little bit more. So say for instance, in this case, if I want to click on that image, I can click on Edit Photo and I can click Adjust. If I want to change the temperature of the image, I can tint it, I can make it darker, I can make it brighter. I can increase the shadows, and so you can see that you can very easily manipulate the image that you create using Pattern AI to fit your needs. And when you're done, just click on Share in the top right-hand corner, then click on Download. Under File Type, you'll want to scroll down until you see PNG, and then you can select the pages that you would like to download. The default is going to be all pages. You can deselect it and select the page that you would like to download. In this case, I'm going to select these leaves, hit done, and then download it on your computer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my Canva playlist for more tutorials to help you enhance your visual brand utilizing Canva. Until next time, ta-ta for now.